Hello, my name is Ken Blevins. I'm with Metrowest Real Broker. And while I am a licensed real estate agent, I prefer to think of myself as a home solutions advisor. My mission is to help homeowners like you unlock the full potential of your property by offering innovative solutions tailored to your unique needs. And I get that you are probably receiving offers from other agents and investors, but I assure you my approach is different. Unlike most real estate agents who simply want to list your home for sale, or investors who may be willing to lowball you with an offer of 70 to 80 cents on the dollar, I'm here to offer you a personalized solution that really fits your needs. So let's look at a few scenarios. Scenario number one is the competitive cash offer. These are not wholesale investors. These are institutional iBuyers making cash offers on retail ready homes. You might already be familiar with a few of them, Open Door, OfferPad, but there are numerous other retail ready buyers eager to make an offer on your home. So allow me to do all the legwork. I'll submit all the property information to the various iBuyers, present you with a side-by-side comparison of multiple offers you can compare apples to apples, enabling you to make the most informed decision. Scenario number two is the fixer-upper. So what if your home requires some major TLC or even a whole home renovation? Those are institutional iBuyers are not interested in making offers on that type of a home. But we work with multiple cash buyers who are ready to make an all cash as is offer with no required repairs and a quick closing process. So again, we present you with not just one investor offer, but side-by-side comparison of various offers, again, empowering you to make the most informed decision. Scenario number three is what we call the pre-list renovation. So what if your home requires some extensive renovations, more than the institutional iBuyer is willing to undertake, yet you still want to capitalize on the increased equity after the improvements? So we collaborate with companies that will supply both the financing and the contractors needed to complete this work. And the arrangement allows you as the seller to enhance your home now and repay the renovation costs upon the sale of the property. Scenario number four is the sale-leaseback. So what if you want access to your home's equity, but you aren't prepared to move out just yet? The sale-leaseback option might be the perfect solution. So we collaborate with companies that will purchase your home and then lease it back to you, enabling you to remain in your residence while utilizing the equity to achieve your financial goals. Furthermore, you maintain the option to repurchase that home in the future if you choose to do so. Scenario number five is what we call equity unlock. So what if you want to unlock the equity in your home without selling it? And this is not a HELOC, what's known as a home equity line of credit. Our equity unlock program provides a simple way to access up to $500,000 of your home equity with no monthly payments and no interest charges. So depending on your situation, that might be a great program for you as well. Scenario number six is the buy before you sell. What if you found your dream home and that's why you're entertaining a cash offer because you haven't sold your existing property yet? Our buy before sell program allows you to acquire your new home without selling your current home. So we allow you to make an all cash offer on your new home, close, move into it, and then sell your old home on your timeline. So, in summary, as a home solutions advisor, my commitment is to help homeowners like you unlock the full potential of your property by providing innovative and personalized solutions. We've discussed a variety of scenarios here: competitive cash offers, the fixer upper, pre listing renovation, sale leaseback, equity unlock, the buy before you sell. This is just merely six options out of numerous at your disposal. So my goal is to work with you in choosing the most appropriate solution for you. And at the end, it becomes a seamless and stress-free transaction in the sale of your home. So together, we can identify an optimal strategy to help you achieve your objective and ensure a successful outcome. Thank you for watching.